Hello everyone, this is Grandmaster Damian Lemos here for iChess.net, and as you can see I'm from the chess club, and today we'll learn how to set up a chessboard. So before we start, let me fix the camera. I want to show you how the chessboard looks like. Hopefully you can see it. So some rules before we start. As you can see, we have 64 squares and we have what we call files and ranks. Rank number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are ranks, or ranks, I should say. We also have files A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So now you see the board empty, but imagine here you'll be white, you're going to play white, and I'm going to play black. And before we start, an easy rule to remember to know whether the chessboard is well placed or not. If your right corner is a light square, then you're good to go, no matter if you're playing white or black. So if you're playing white, your right corner should be H1, as you can see the coordinates here, H1, and if you're black, this should be A8, which is actually this square. So with that said, we can start. You know, we have 8 pawns, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, queen, and a king. So first we start with the pawns. All pawns, they go on the second rank. They go in front of the other pieces. So the pawns go first, second rank, all together. Easy to remember. Then the rooks, they go on the corner, both corners. Then we have the knights. Very easy. Bishops. This is also easy to remember. And then we have the queen and the king. A lot of people get confused at this point because they don't know where to place the queen and the king. And it can be confusing indeed, but I have a simple rule for you to remember. If you're playing white, then your queen goes to the white square, or I should say the light square. And of course the king goes to the remaining square, which is a dark square. So now you're ready to make your move as white. Of course, I have to set my pieces here, but I mean, imagine it is your turn. Imagine I have my pieces here, then you're ready to make your first move. White moves first. So now I'll just empty the board and I'll place black pieces. You'll see it's very simple. Okay, let's do it quickly. Now I'll flip the board. I want to make this properly. And as you can see now, your right corner is a light square. Also, this time is A8. That means you're playing black. So as usual, pawns, they go in front. Like this. Then the rooks, they go in the corner, A8, H8, knights, G8, B8, bishops, F8, and C8. And now the queen and the king. Again, we have the simple rule. If you're playing black, the queen goes to the dark square, and of course the king goes here. So now before we finish, I'll place my pieces. Like this. One more. Two more, actually. Okay, my king is here. And now you're actually playing against me. I'll make my first move as white. And then it is your turn. You can play something like this, for instance, or this. We'll learn how to move pieces in the next video, but now we have a game of chess and you're ready to go. You now know how to set up a chessboard. And yeah, before we finish this video, let me fix the camera. So that's all for this video. I hope you could learn something. I hope you enjoyed this. And of course, I want to see you guys during my next chapter. Thank you.